Want to reprimand Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, listen up. I just want to tell you something. Can you just stop posting about nonsense over in Instagram? You know, for me, in threads in Instagram, it's just like Twitter or threads. You are invading the privacy of Kitty Duterte. That was a daughter of Rodrigo Duterte. If I were you, Mark Cruz, can you just stop saying bad words? I already told it to Kuya Bear. I told him, Kuya Bear, that Mark Cruz is saying bad words. He says about what he said before to Kitty Duterte, the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte, was in the Netherlands, in The Hague. You said about F word, you say about fuck word. Mark Cruz, if I just say to you, you need to delete that post. You should never say bad words. And the other Duterte supporters are complaining you, Mark Cruz. Oh, you are just like a BBM follower, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. And look at him. He did not reprimand by his parents. And he did not raise his parents. Always his son. Always say a bad words. You don't really get Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You're saying about bad words, huh? Unlike that, I've been told to I told to Kuya Bear, you should stop posting political. At least Kuya Bear is a Christian. And he's not talking about politics. He's non-partisan. When are you gonna stop posting nonsense, Mark Cruz? Ha? Say that to Calvin Cuevas, the husband of Teacher Jessa, that he knows Rodrigo Duterte. That was his ninong. He will beaten you, Mark Cruz. You know Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Everyone hates you. The ASP hates you too. I want to destabilize the ASP advocacy circle of Carl Vilus. That man, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, he say a bad words to Rodrigo Duterte. Have you never heard that for example, Mark Cruz, if you say a bad words, that is a totally nonsense. If I'm just gonna say to you in my YouTube blog, Roylan Marlang is not posting political affiliation. Roylan Marlang is always posting about the ABS-CBN shows. In threads, in Instagram, he's not posting political. Roylan is not picking any color, just like Kuya Bear. He's not Duterte supporter, he's not Marcos loyalist, he's not kakampink. He's non-political. Non-political, non-color. There is no color for political. We have non-color political. And why you post about against Duterte, Mark Cruz? The Duterte supporters are complaining you. Shania Kiana is complaining you. Even Attorney Raul Lambino is complaining you. Not even just that. Ate Isa and Nanay Net are complaining you, Mark Cruz. Even Even the ASP are complaining you, Mark Cruz. Because you're posting nonsense. Oh, you're posting nonsense. And as I realized, I talked with Teacher Gio Malana last 2022, who's fake account of Rocky Tulog. Oh, and he is complaining about that issue. And I realized, I told to Teacher Gio Malana that fake account of Rocky Tulog, of Facebook account, it was Mark Cruz. Oh, that was you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. You started this troublemaker. You make my head hurt. You make me suffer. Now you will pay for your consequence. I'm just saying to you, Mark Cruz. People there are complaining you. Oh, if I were you, Mark Cruz, if you post about against Duterte, I am telling you, Mark Cruz, I have a contact with 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 my good friend, Kuya Park official, and his diehard Duterte supporters. They will mob your house. They will arson your house. They will raid your house in San Pedro, Laguna. Believe me, Mark Cruz, it's not my problem. It is your problem. Just like I said, it's your own problem. Kasalanan mo yan, Mark Cruz. You do not know what you're talking about. You're talking about political affiliation. Oh. That is why I want to tell you something, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Please stop posting about against Rodrigo Duterte's daughter, Kitty Duterte, in Instagram threads. Don't call her an F word. Don't call her the word fuck word. That is a bad word. You don't know what is that you're saying. You know, Mark Cruz, you better to stop posting nonsense. Like Franco Morales, he's not posting political. He's not siding with any political color. He's not kakamping. He's not Marcos loyalist. He's not Duterte supporter. Franco Morales is non-political. He has no picking any side of color. Oh. And you were politicalized against the children of Rodrigo Duterte, Sara, Baste, Paulo, even Kitty Duterte. You are criticizing them, Mark Cruz. What will I gonna say to you? Even to your mother, even your siblings, even your relatives, even your aunt and your cousin. What do you feel about that person, Mark Cruz, thinks that he's not really autism spectrum disorder? This guy has an anti-social personality disorder, just like Zachary, the student of Teacher May. Just remember, just like Michael Sarmiento, anti-personality disorder or anti-social personality disorder. That is the narcissistic. That person, Mark Cruz, is very narcissistic. He's not autism, he's not autistic, he is narcissistic. I'm just saying. Oh. Believe me. And I was told by Teacher Arnel Caparas that Rocky Tulog is not a fake account. That's not account of Teacher Gio Malana. That was the account of Mark Cruz. That was the account of Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. that his IP address is in San Pedro, Laguna. Believe me, that person, he has no writing to post about against Duterte. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, show little respect to the Duterte supporters. You do not know what you're posting at. Don't you even know? What if I say again, Mark Cruz, oh, if you curses Joyce Patrick Opecia, if he's non-partisan, oh, he's not side with Duterte supporters, oh, he's not side with Marcos loyalists, he was not side with Kakampink. This is nonsense. Oh, the Duterte supporters are complaining you, Mark Cruz. Even Teacher May Tiburcio, oh, you remember Teacher May Tiburcio? She's also a certified Duterte supporter. She is complaining you because she saw the screenshot from Rafael Tiburcio, that was her nephew, and she said to me that Mark Cruz is posting about against the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte, and he cursing bad words. What is it? The nasty word he says about F word, fuck word. Oh, you should never supposed to say that, Mark Cruz. Believe me, if I were say to you, Mark Cruz, kindly please delete that post. You're posting about against Duterte, which is really nonsense. J. Rick Silva is complaining at you, Mark Cruz. Oh, bakit mo minura si Kitty Duterte? Why did you say an F word? Why did you say that fuck word? Oh, do you think it's really a shame to yourself? You don't really give a shame to the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte, even Anelit Avicenna. That was his second wife. You don't really give a shame, Mark Cruz. Remember, there are lots of Duterte bloggers are criticizing you. Banat Bay, Marlica, Ben Barubal, and even the other bloggers, they're criticizing you, Mark Cruz. Because you know, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you are a Bangag Marcos loyalist wannabe. If I were you, if I say to you, if you hate Duterte, Mark Cruz, why can't you just shut up? Manahimik ka na lang, like I said. Just make yourself peace and quiet. Why can't you just shut up? To stop posting lots of nonsense. Believe me, everyone are criticizing you, Mark Cruz. Everyone are bashing you. Oh, would you say that to Christian? He will help you, even Carl Bilus? Christian will never help you because Christian Mengito, he doesn't like political affiliation. He's non-partisan. And you're making a lie over at Christian that you want to defend Mika. Let me get this straight, Mark Cruz. How do you even Christian Mengito knows Mika Lim? He doesn't know Mika Lim. Christian Mengito he's not interested in Bini. He's focusing in Christianity. Just like Kuya Bear in Born Again Christian. Just like Shania Kiana, just like Wawel Romero. Oh, just like everyone who were born again Christian. Oh, you remember you remember Paulo Siaco, oh, the son of Ate Mirsol. He's a born-again Christian, and he's not talking about politics while he was in Canada. He's not talking politics. Oh, because you know, Mark Cruz, you're always making political. You're political anyway, it's not teachings of Christian. As I'm an Islam, of Shia Muslim, I do not talk politics. I do not talk about political affiliation, whether like I said, like Duterte supporter, Marcos loyalist, kakamping. I never pick any side of them. I always say before, I always stay neutral, I always stay non-partisan. I was told by Kawali Cronel, I always to be non-political, neutral, and non-partisan. As I'm a Duterte supporter, Mark Cruz, I am a non-partisan. I am a non-political. I am a neutral, non-partisan, and non-political. And stop making about political posts, Mark Cruz, about Instagram and threads. You make the Duterte supporters are angry at you. At least my fellow Duterte supporters are angry at you because it's not right thing to post nonsense. Let's be non-political.